Want to reduce meetings, share updates faster, and improve communication across your team? Loom makes it easy to record and share video messages that teammates can watch on their own schedule. In this guide, I'll show you how to use Loom for team communication in 2026. First, sign in to Loom and make sure your team members have access to the appropriate workspace. A shared workspace helps keep videos organized and easy to find. Instead of scheduling another meeting, record a quick video update. Share project progress, announcements, status reports, or important information using screen and camera recordings. When explaining tasks, bugs, reports, or workflows, use screen recording to visually walk teammates through the information. This often saves time compared to long written messages. After recording, copy the Loom link and send it through email, chat platforms, project management tools, or your team's communication channels. Loom works especially well for asynchronous communication. Team members can watch videos when it's convenient for them instead of trying to coordinate schedules. Encourage teammates to leave comments, reactions, or questions directly on videos when those features are available. This keeps conversations connected to the original content. Save important recordings in organized folders so your team can revisit tutorials, onboarding materials, and project documentation whenever needed. And that's how to use Loom for team communication in 2026. By replacing some meetings with clear video messages, you can improve collaboration, save time, and keep everyone informed. So start recording team updates and make communication more efficient. Thanks for watching.